so here is, we just gave them all their recorders for saying their verse for this Sing to the Lord. Mutenderese Mukama. So now, they're having fun playing their horns. Hi, Carol. Carol, do you like your recorder? Yeah? I think that means yes. You like it? Oh, that's lovely. You like it too, Brenda? Good.
Very nice.
You like your recorder, Esther?
Yeah, I like the recorder.
You like the recorder? Hey, what? Oscar. Come here. Oscar, come here. You know who gave you that recorder? You know who gave you that recorder?
Yes.
Jaja Ann. Can you say thank you, Jaja Ann?
Thank you, Jaja Ann.
Esther?
Jaja Ann.
Esther, can you say thank you, Jaja Ann?
Thank you, Jaja.
She gave y'all those recorders. Annette, can you say thank you, Jaja Ann? She gave you that recorder. Let me hear you play it. And can you say thank you, Jaja Kendall? You like Jaja Kendall, don't you? She talks about him all the time. Jerem. Hey, can you say thank you to Jaja Ann and Jaja Kendall? There we go. What? They're the ones that gave you the recorder. Can you say thank you? You're welcome.